guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Your host Mohammad Imran. So today we have a very unique tutorial for all of you, and the topic is that how to send a WhatsApp message to yourself. Oh my God, really? It can? Yes, it can. You can send your message, WhatsApp message. Okay. So first of all, to proceeding this video, if you are not my subscriber, please click on subscribe and then notification icon will appear. Then don't miss to click on it because it will give you updates about my latest videos. So come to the point. So first of all, if you want to send a WhatsApp message to yourself, then first of all you have to save your number in your own mobile 0300 583 4170. This is my number and I'm using this as a WhatsApp number. When I saved it, then Imran. Okay. After saving this contact into my mobile number, then just go back, just search phone, and then Imran. Okay, then there is Imran. Here this is. So first of all, you have to click on it. When you click on it, you can see a lot of things here like voice call, video call and message. At the bottom there is a message 300 583 4170. When you will click on it, oh yeah, here I go. Then just text. Oh really? Now you can text yourself. Okay guys, I think so you love to watch this video. If you love this trick, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are my subscriber, please like and comment in given below, and you can also share your ideas so that I can create a lot of ideas, lot of videos for you all. And thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and wait for a new video.